Hey everyone! If you've ever opened TikTok and felt annoyed by the you may like suggestions popping up, today I'm going to show you exactly how to remove them on your iPhone. By the end of this video, your TikTok feed will feel way more personalized and less cluttered. First, let's start simple. When you see the you may like section, try hitting the refresh button next to it. Sometimes that alone can change your suggestions instantly. If that doesn't work, we need to dig a little deeper. Go to your TikTok profile and tap the settings icon in the top right corner. From there, select settings and privacy, then scroll down to activity center and tap search history. Here, click select in the top right. Choose select all history and hit delete all. Confirm by pressing delete. This clears out your search history, which often controls what TikTok recommends. Next, head back to settings and tap notifications. Scroll down to personalized post suggestions and make sure both options are turned off. This tells TikTok to stop using your activity to push suggestions. If you're still seeing content you don't want, scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap help us improve. Select suggested searches are not interesting or not personalized. Then choose the accounts you don't want to see and hit submit. Finally, force close TikTok and reopen it. Click on the search box again and your suggestions should be updated. If they haven't changed immediately, logging out and back in usually does the trick. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you can clean up your TikTok feed and enjoy the content you actually want to see. If you found this tip helpful, drop a comment below and let me know. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick TikTok hacks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.